That has doubled in size. So let's shape it and put it in a Banneton basket and get it in the refrigerator till I'm ready to bake. We'll bake this tonight after work.
Where you at, girl?
Says she's got nothing to do with this. We need to go find Moo. That's who was playing. Because Moo likes it. Safe and baby. One of my favorite wintertime meals is a meatloaf. So comforting and hearty and easy to make. I'm using about 1 pound of ground beef and a couple of hen eggs. I combine that with salt, pepper, Worcestershire, garlic powder, and onion powder, a little bit of ketchup, mix it well, and then I added some toasted sourdough breadcrumbs from the sourdough you just saw me make. This turned out so delicious. I baked it in the oven at 350 for about 1 hour. On top, I spread a barbecue type glaze made from ketchup, Worcestershire, brown sugar, salt, and pepper. This is really delicious, and it makes the best leftover meatloaf sandwiches that you can eat on sourdough bread. If you enjoy making food from scratch, I highly recommend a meatloaf. It is so pleasing and should make everyone happy. Next up, one of my favorite vegetables, cabbage. I'm going to make a fried cabbage. This is a super simple side dish. Take one cabbage and give it a rough chop. Then, in a large skillet, you're going to heat up 2 or 3 tablespoons of whatever oil you have available. Today, I'm going to use bacon drippings. This, in my opinion, is the most tasty way to fry cabbage. I'm going to add a generous amount of salt and pepper. And then I'm basically going to gently saute the cabbage around in the bacon drippings. After that, I'm going to add a lid, and the cabbage will basically wilt and steam the rest of the way down. Occasionally, I will give it a stir so that a little bit of browning will happen throughout the cabbage. This is just an old Southern recipe, and it is so delicious. So easy, and a cabbage is just such an affordable way to feed your family. probably for now. We gotta get him set up. So, I just wanted to touch base and let you guys know that for a few months, I'll probably be doing a once a month upload. I've got some stuff going on that I need to concentrate on. I'll fill you in at a later date, but just for a little while, and hopefully in the spring, things will pick up and I'll be busy and I can make more videos without it being so much of a stretch. Anyway, so I will touch base again next month and I'll see you guys soon. Take care.